Hello, it's Juicy J and welcome back to my channel where we just vibe. And today's going to be a segment of Juicy J in the kitchen. First, you have to trim off the tough outer skin of the ham and then you scorch it in a crosshatch pattern. Add your chopped onion, garlic, mustard, orange juice, and cloves to the pan with your ham. Stir the ingredients in the pan with the ham. Cover the ham and put it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour.
Turning up, she got me throbbing. I got her wet like I'm beside me. My youngster black her like a goddess. Eat it up like a tomato.
This is optional, but after you pull the ham out of the oven, you put some of the sauce in the pan on the actual ham.
My stomach growling. We vibing. Turning up, she got me throbbing.
I move the ham to another pan so that I can fish for the cloves inside of the actual sauce.
Eat it up like a tomato. I'm the wolf, she got me howling.
Now I pour the onions and garlic from the pan into a small pot and I add the glaze ingredients.
We vibing. Turning up, she got me throbbing. I got her wet like I'm beside me. My youngster blacks her like I'm got it. Eat it up like a tomato. I'm the wolf.
Cook this on medium-high heat until it gets to a thicker consistency. Before it fully thickens, I get my immersion blender and I blend the onions and garlic to make sure they're finely chopped in the glaze.
Like I'm beside me. My youngster blacks her like I'm got it. Eat it up like a tomato. I'm the wolf. We vibing. Turning up, she got me throbbing. I got her wet like I'm beside me.
Once the glaze gets to a boil again, you can turn it off and you'll put it onto your ham and put the ham back in the oven for 30 minutes.
We vibing. Turning up, she got me throbbing.